Hi guys, my name is Ryan. I work at Miller Toyota of Anaheim, and today I'll be showing you how to activate and use the radar cruise control in most Toyota models. All right guys, so the first step to activating the radar cruise control in most Toyota models is going to be pressing this button right here with the car and what looks like a speedometer. So we'll go ahead, we'll press that and usually hold that for about 1 to 2 seconds. After that step is completed, we'll go ahead and press this button right here that shows a different distance. You can see there's 3 different distances between yourself and the vehicle in front of you. These are just the 3 different levels. Obviously the closest one is going to be the closer distance, and the third one will be the furthest, maintaining that distance between yourself and the car in front of you. If that car speeds up, this will do the same. If that car slows down, this will do the same as well. When driving guys, to activate the radar cruise control, you will most likely use it going over 30 miles per hour. So again, you would just hold it and change the distance with this button right here between yourself and the car in front of you. Now, if you guys do want to use a normal cruise control instead of the radar cruise control, instead of pressing this button after you press this, you would just press this and set the distance holding this down or up, or pressing it as well. Either way works. If you guys do cancel it, go ahead and just drive with the foot like you would normally drive. All right guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment down below. We do answer questions. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.